Forget about running the Java application from command line or creating a bat file. Today I'll propose you Windows install. To run the project we need SVN client, Java JDK 1.8 and Maven. I have version 3.3.9. We will start working with the SVN system. Go to the web page and check how exactly the project is called. Go to the terminal or any SVN client and type the address. You can download only trunk directory. I will download everything because I want to show you how the structure of the project looks like. After downloading, we enter the directory sample installer. You can see 3 directories: trunk, tags and branches. If you want to know more, then I suggest other movies. I will not describe them. We go to the trunk directory. This is our main code. Here we should the branches and develop the application on the new directory, but for the training I will show how to run an application in this directory. Spring Boot is a nice and convenient tool. I will not say that is the breakthrough notably, but it helped very much at the beginning of creating a project and a dependency tree. We are in the trunk directory, so enter the command maven spring boot run. This means using the Spring Boot plugin and calling the run command. As you can see, the application starts. Now let's make an executable file for Windows. For this purpose we will use the Launch4j Maven plugin. You can read more about it on the plugin site. There is also an application that will prepare exe file without Maven. Enter the command maven clean package with profile Windows deploy. After executing command, we will see our file in target directory. Let's see what the configuration of this plugin looks like in the POM file. Configuration details are described in the plugin documentation. Let's assume that we have made several patches to the application and we have merged the changes from branch to trunk and we want to upgrade our app. For this operation we will use Maven Release plugin. It works very well with SVN system. First, make sure that you have correct configuration in the POM XML file in the SCM tag. If so, simply enter the command in the terminal, Maven and so on. Correctly enter the version, user credential and wait for the message of success. The entire application process is based on creating and copying files. In my case, Java file I have placed it inside the exe file, but there is no problem to download the jar file from the internet. It all depends on the capabilities and resources of the project. If you want me to explain how the entire installation process works, let me know. Now I will show you how to download the project from my Git server. Due to the fact that I don't want to maintain 2 systems, all files will be available in the Git system. Go to the Git project site, click clone button and copy our URL. Now we can execute the copied command in the terminal or enter the URL in the Git system client. And that's all, everything works fine. Thank you for watching, please be sure to check subscription button below for more movies and don't forget check bell button. If you have doubts, comments or whatever to say, please let me know. See you in next video.